Guys, let's talk about cheating. Ukufeba. Guys, cabanga ubuye emsebenzini then ushadile ne is for married people and unmarried people. Then ufika endlini une honey I'm home. Bose ufika uthi honey I'm home. Intombazana ngalo uze ekamereni. Baby I'm coming. Baby I'm coming. Baby I'm coming. Phuma ispam lapho, phuma umchamo. Yabo lapho phuma umchamo. Phuma ispam strong. Ubone la uthi yabo la hayi bayamchamisa strong. Bayamchamisa la. Bose ufika lapha ekamereni, chamile uqedile. Usuthi yanye umfazi, usuthi well fed by another man. Bose ufika lapha, hey, kwenzakalanda? Ngitholela wena. Akanandaba usuthi. Uzomenzani? Yini esazoyenza? What's the use of fighting? Uchamile uqedile umfazi usuthi. Uzwenzani? What are you going to do? Uzwenzani? Le ndoda naye ezokutshela uzwenzani? Sengichamisile ke uzwenzani? Ngoba bawulwa uthi maybe uyamxolela uthi hi baby what did I do wrong? Ukhali lapha ini uye eSpanini sase bamphinda. Khona ntombazane boyidle kamnandi. Iyasho phela ukuthi phela ongichamisa futhi. Ngichamise futhi ngiyayiphinda mzala. Osho kanjalo bathi phinda mzala. Inobe emnandi yaphinda. A good song is repeated. Fana lama show are repeatwa mara kungathola lama realities. Yeah, about cheating. But it's not a mistake ukucheata phela. Not a mistake. Ngoba labantu first of all separate meeting. But okay, are you available today? Why should yes? Naye why should yes? Bahlangana kwakho on your bed. Bayazi ukuthi uhamba nini? Yabona ubuya nini eSpanini. So emini babhizi bayachamisana. And uthola it's not the first time bechamisana futhi. It's not the first time. Kudala bechamisana labantu. Ukuthi nje you're not aware. Ubabambe that one time. I'm so man 2 years or 20 years bechamisana. When I don't know anything. That's why ingane uyibona. But why umntana lo ufana noSibuda? Why afana noSibuda lo mntana? Mfiti ngeke, mfiti intwana yakhe ifana noSibuda mfiti. Hey, la khande likhulu lele. La kaSibuda mfiti. Wona intwana engeyenza into ezi wrong la biyakudelela all those things. Ubona uthi hayi man iyo amazathu we-cheating ke lawo. Marriage ubufebe. Then basibakhuza labantwana laba bathi hey thina siyabadelela ini abusive toxic. Kanjani? Sivikele ithunzi zethu. Phela ithunzi at stake here. Our dignities are at stake here. You can't say hey we are toxic. Kanjani isithunzi sami sisengcupheni? Hayi mfethu. Phela labantu bachamze phela mfethu uboxelela umuntu othithile uthi uyacabanga uthi bhibhile lamambhebhe ngale yabona uthi bamchamisile bambamba amabele futhi bojola lo muntu ofresh uchiroko fresh bambamba labele uthanda ngolibamba bamchamisa bambhekisa le so uyabuza ezipita ila kwenze zona nawe sofuna ucompare nawe ufuna ukwazi when to improve in bari slim ngempela futhi usijava athi slim ngempela uzasho la sengomini hayi kwenzakalani guys. Don't forgive cheating, guys. Cheating is unforgivable. It's unforgivable, guys. This is unforgivable. Machita, yelani forgive cheating, especially marriage. Marriage, umuntu beqeda umchamela. Divorce aloyo do. Throw away that thing, man. Throw away that thing. Latan twe man. Ayibhuku uqole into ayiye. Ngeke phela. Bemchamisile. Upe ukelo wakho bane kuke emnandi mfethu yakhala uthi ngiluzi kuke emnandi kanje ngeke mfethu bathi kuke emnandi igripper uyahlanya umjidi uza ngathi hey ngathi umntwana bomfuthela ama toys uyovula uhlanye ngathi bakutshontshela imoto uhlanya ngathi bakutshontshela imoto yadlala guys. Don't forgive cheating. Guys, subscribe to my channel for more videos. More videos are gonna come. And then you show on the comment section mama topic and funa ukuthi ngikhulume ngawo futhi. Yes, thank you.